We'd like to welcome you to the professional MAVALA manicure tutorial. Always use cuticle sticks, wrapped in cotton wool, to clean under free edges and perform cuticle work. You will need thin and thickly wrapped sticks. Invite your client to take place and make herself comfortable. Remove jewelry and place it in a safe area. Disinfect your hands and the hands of your client with MAVALA purifying lotion. Check for any contraindication to a manicure. The use of MAVALA manicure pill in warm water will soften the cuticles, clean the nails and skin. It will also return the skin to its correct pH balance and act as a gentle antiseptic. Ask client what color she would like to wear and guide her choice. Check consistency of nail polish before beginning your manicure. Nail polish should have the proper fluidity to form a smooth, thin film once brushed onto the nail. 2 thin coats give a longer-lasting manicure than 1 thick coat. If your nail polish is too thick, dilute it with a few drops of MAVALA thinner and roll the bottle between your palms. Never add nail polish remover or acetone, as these solvents cause the nail polish to separate and deteriorate. Thinner should be added at least 20 minutes before using the nail polish. The MAVALA finger rotation method has been developed to make your work more efficient and your client more comfortable. It is to be used throughout each step of the manicure. Always begin with the client's hand, which is opposite your principal hand. If you're right-handed, begin with the left hand of client and work from thumb to little finger. On the right hand, begin with the thumb, then work on the little finger back to the forefinger. If you're left-handed, begin on the right hand of client, work from thumb to little finger. Move to left hand, work on thumb, then little finger back to forefinger. This method ensures control of the client's hand, in the sense that the fingers on which you have worked remain on the back of your hand, holding client's hand. This method stops you from touching the neighboring fingers. You have a choice of 2 nail polish removers: MAVALA Pink, extra mild remover, acetone-free for dry, sensitive or fragile nails, or MAVALA Blue, mild remover for all other nail types. Apply a generous amount on a cotton pad, place on nail, and hold firmly in position. You have to allow time for the remover to penetrate the layers of nail polish. You will feel when the nail polish releases from the nail plate. Grip tightly and pull off in one movement. A clean pad is used for each nail. Any polish remaining around the nail edges can be removed with a cotton-covered cuticle stick, damped in nail polish remover. File nails using the gentle side of MAVALA emery board, from side to center, at a 45-degree angle, leaving 2 mm bridge at each side of the nail. Bevel the free edge of the nail with the fine side to give a smooth finish and seal the 3 layers of nail. To help smooth ridges, slide MAVALA gray buffer in one direction, across the nail. Don't apply pressure. Use sparingly if nails are thin or fragile. Using long, firm strokes, buff with the MAVALA pink buffer, each nail individually, to give a shiny and smooth surface. This will help stimulate blood circulation in nail bed and also help base and nail polish to adhere to nail plate. This is the MAVALA finger massage method. Start on thumb and little finger, continue on neighboring fingers, and finish on middle finger and thumb again. Cuticles should be kept soft, supple, and free from the nail plate. Damaged and uncared cuticles give a neglected appearance to nails. Left alone, they tend to harden and stick to the nail plate. MAVALA Cuticle Cream with lanolin softens the cuticles. This will help the therapist in lifting them free of the nail without causing pain or damage. Place the fingers into the manicure bowl. For the client who is sensitive to lanolin, we advise MAVALA Cuticle Oil instead of cuticle cream. Apply to each nail contour and massage thoroughly. Place the fingers into the manicure bowl. While first hand is soaking in the MAVALA manicure pill water, repeat shaping, buffing, and first part of cuticle care on the second hand. Take out first hand from the bowl. MAVALA Lightening Scrub Mask is perfect for nails and cuticles which are stained. Apply scrub mask to wet nails. Use MAVALA finger massage method. Replace fingers in water. Then brush briskly to allow the diatomaceous earth contained in the product to cleanse the stained areas. Rinse and dry fingers off first hand. Place fingers of second hand in the water to soften cuticles. MAVALA Cuticle Remover contains an alkaline potassium hydroxide, which helps to lift adhering cuticles from the nail plate. Apply around nail contour using a large cotton-wrapped cuticle stick. Roll the cuticles back. This lifts and helps push back cuticles and removes dead skin in one easy movement. To achieve a well-groomed nail contour, the MAVALA rubber-tipped hoof stick damped with soak water is now used in circular movements to clean, under the lifted cuticles. Check that they are loose all around the nail plate. If stubborn pieces of skin are still adhering, use gently the hard curved end to release them, avoiding any pressure on the matrix. It is important to keep the nail damp to assist in cleaning. Never cut cuticles, as it is living tissue. It will grow back faster, harder, and thicker than before. However, hangnails or pieces of loose skin can be removed with sterilized cuticle nippers. Repeat second part of cuticle work on second hand. Exfoliate, brush, dry, shape nail contour, and clean nail plate. Then work on both hands alternately from now on. MAVALA Cleansing Mask exfoliates and rejuvenates hands. Apply the mask with a brush on the back and the palm of the hand, ensuring that the hand has been covered with product, including between the fingers. Cover the hands with plastic gloves. Wrap each hand in towel and leave for 10 minutes. Heated gloves can also be used. Unwrap the hands, apply water to them, and massage. You will feel the dead tissue rub away as you massage. Rinse well, also using MAVALA nail brush. And dry well. Effleurage MAVALA hand cream with collagen over hand. Massage in circular movements from cuticles to wrist, starting with thumb and little finger. Then go down along the fingers. Repeat the same movement towards the wrist on forefinger and ring finger. Finish on thumb and middle finger. Massage the joint between thumb and forefinger towards the wrist. Support the finger at the junction with metacarpal and rotate client's finger 3 times to the left and 3 times to the right. Stretch to the fingertip. Repeat on all other fingers with the exception of the thumb. Lay down the client's elbow on the table and massage the palm with rotating movements towards the fingers. Slide down towards the wrist Repeat the movement. Support the client's wrist with the help of your left hand. Interlace the client's hand with your right hand and gently swing the client's wrist 3 times backwards and forwards. In the same position, rotate without forcing the client's wrist 3 times in one direction, 3 times in the other. Free your hand from the client's hand by softly stretching the client's fingers and lay down. Repeat on second hand. From here on, work only according to MAVALA finger rotation method. Using a thinly cotton-wrapped MAVALA manicure stick, clean under free edge of all nails. Adjust filing if necessary. The surface of the nail must be completely oil-free to continue manicure. Use MAVALA nail polish remover to clean the nails. Wipe the nail surface with a cotton pad, moistened with soap water to restore natural pH of nail plate. If there is no tap water available, use MAVALA demineralized and purified water. Then brush to clean away any cotton fibers. Offer to your client the MAVALA emery board you just used on her nails. Invite her to regularly take care of them. Give back the client her jewelry. Choose nail treatment product according to your client's nail quality. For nails that are dry and unflexible, use MAVAFlex Moisturizing Serum for optimum moisture balance. Urea, calcium, vitamin B5, and lemon essential oil help reinforce nail structure. Massage. Remove excess product with a paper tissue. For soft, flaking nails, use MAVALA Scientific. It hardens nails immediately and bonds the 3 nail plate layers together. Apply from the center to the tip of the nail, avoiding skin. Hold client's hands downwards for about 1 minute to ensure it penetrates only the tip of the nail. For an optimal hold of manicure, make sure not to apply more than 5 layers in total on nails, including base and top coat. Each product brushed onto the nails must be applied in 5 even, precise and long strokes, not in little, irregular and repeated ones. MAVALA recommends never to apply nail polish directly onto nails. Always apply MAVALA base coat and/or a Camouflage product before color. Choose base coat according to your client's nail quality. MAVALA 002 base coat is a double-action product. First, it protects even healthy nails against external elements and prevents nails from being stained by color pigments contained in nail polish. Secondly, this base prolongs the manicure by making the color better adhere to the nail plate. Whereas MAVALA Barrier Base is a moisturizing base coat specifically developed for sensitive, fragile, and delicate nails with a tendency towards dryness. Formulated to help the nails retain moisture, it prevents them from dehydration, splitting, and flaking. It also acts as a protective screen between nail plate and nail polish and improves adherence of nail polish. Choose Camouflage product according to your client's nail problem. MAVA White Optical Nail Whitener contains pigments that react to light and hide stains. It can be used alone for a matte finish, most appreciated by men. Only used with base and top coat, it gives a natural pinkish, shiny finish. Applied before nail polish, its color is no longer distorted by yellowed nails. MAVALA Ridge Filler smoothes out nail surface by filling ridges and irregularities. 2 coats may be necessary if nails are deeply ridged. Can also be used as a base. Nail Shield is a 2-phase strengthener with nylon fibers, which is ideal for thin, soft, and fragile nails. Phase 1 with nylon fibers makes a supporting trellis over the nails as a protection. Phase 2 is applied over the top to seal and even out irregularities due to Phase 1. MAVALA Nail Shield is a physical protection. To promote color uniformity and facilitate smooth application, don't shake but roll the bottle between your palms of your hands. This is the right consistency. For a perfect hold and coverage of manicure, each coat of nail polish must be applied in 5 even, precise and long strokes, not in little, irregular and repeated ones. When applying first coat of color, it might not look even. Do not worry, the second coat will make the color look uniform. Nail polish is mainly composed of resins. solvents, and color pigments. Correct processing of these ingredients produces nail polish that is smooth and easy to apply, has good covering power, and adheres to the nail. The product is formulated in such a way that the nail can breathe even if it is covered by several layers of nail polish. MAVALA cares about consumers' health and environment, so that their nail polish formulas are developed without toluene, camphor, dibutyl phthalate, colophane, formaldehyde, added nickel. MAVALA offers a very wide range of more than 200 classical and trendy shades. There's no doubt you will find the shade you're dreaming of. MAVALA Corrector is a felt-tip pen filled with acetone-free nail polish remover that makes it easy to erase mistakes. MAVALA Color Fix is a high-gloss top coat that fixes and intensifies color, whilst forming a protective, hard yet elastic coat against chipping and peeling, thanks to acrylic. Advise your client to reapply Color Fix after 2 days to refresh her manicure. Choose your nail polish dryer. It depends on your preference. However, if you had applied already 5 layers, it is advised to use MAVADry spray. MAVADry is a nail polish fast dryer that gives a touch-dry finish in seconds, adds shine and prevents manicure from shipping. MAVADry spray. All the advantages of the MAVADry paint-on in an ozone-friendly aerosol. Use at 30 centimeters distance. A time saver. Check one last time your work. Advise your client to purchase the products you suggested her. The perfect professional manicure from MAVALA, world leader in nail care.